What is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index 2026? The correct answer is 75. Silisara Lake, recently declared a Ramsar site, is located in which state? The correct answer is Rajasthan. Which country assumed the chairmanship of BIMSTEC for 2025 to 27? The correct answer is Bangladesh. Which former Supreme Court judge received Padma Vibhushan 2026? The correct answer is K.T. Thomas. Who has been appointed as the next Director General of UNESCO? The correct answer is Khalid El-Enani. Where was the world's first energy transmission park inaugurated? The correct answer is Telangana. Which team won Laureus World Team of the Year Award 2025? The correct answer is Real Madrid. What is India's rank in Women, Peace Security Index 2025 to 26? The correct answer is 131. Who won the Tyler Prize for Environmental Achievement 2026? The correct answer is Toby Kears. Which film won Best Film at BAFTA Awards 2026? The correct answer is One Battle After Another. Which Indian city hosted the BIMSTEC Youth Summit 2025? The correct answer is Gandhinagar. Which company received NBFC license from RBI in 2025? The correct answer is Flipkart. Who became the president of the Badminton World Federation? The correct answer is Kuning Patna Liswatrakul. Which countries will jointly host Hockey World Cup 2026? The correct answer is Belgium and Netherlands. Who became the first woman Secretary General of UN World Tourism Organization? The correct answer is Sheikha Al-Nowais. Who won Palme d'Or at Cannes Film Festival? The correct answer is Zafar Panahi. India won Hockey Asia Cup 2025 by defeating which country? The correct answer is South Korea. Which country will host AI Impact Summit 2026? The correct answer is India. Which state declared 2025 as Year of Urban Development? The correct answer is Gujarat. Charihand Wetland Ramsar site is located in which state? The correct answer is Gujarat. Who won both men's and women's kabaddi titles at Asian Youth Games 2025? The correct answer is India. Rodrigo Pacheco has been appointed as president of which country? The correct answer is Bolivia. Where was the 9th Global Technology Summit 2025 held? The correct answer is New Delhi. Which country became the 123rd member of the International Solar Alliance? The correct answer is Angola. Which country won the IBA Women's Asia Cup 2025? The correct answer is Australia. Urjit Patel was appointed Executive Director at which institution? The correct answer is IMF. Which country topped Asian Archery Championship 2025? The correct answer is India. Which protected area became India's 107th National Park? The correct answer is Simlipal National Park. Who became Prime Minister of Czech Republic in December 2025? The correct answer is Andrej Babis. Who took additional charge as DG of Border Security Force? The correct answer is Praveen Kumar. Which telescope discovered spiral galaxy Alaknanda? The correct answer is James Webb Space Telescope. Which state's tableau won the first prize at the Republic Day Parade 2026? The correct answer is Maharashtra. When is World Wetlands Day 2026 observed? The correct answer is 2nd February. Who won the men's singles title at the Australian Open 2026? The correct answer is Carlos Alcaraz. Which Indian origin scientist received the Crawford Prize 2026? The correct answer is Veerbhadran Ramanathan. When is World Cancer Day observed? The correct answer is 4th February. Which team won the Women's Premier League 2026? The correct answer is Royal Challengers Bengaluru. Which state presented India's first elderly budget in financial year 2026-27? The correct answer is Kerala. Rob Jetton became the youngest Prime Minister of which country in February 2026? The correct answer is Netherlands. Exercise Khanjar 13 is conducted between India and which country? The correct answer is Kyrgyzstan. India's first caste-free village Sondala is located in which state? The correct answer is Maharashtra. Which team won the Hockey India League 2025-26? The correct answer is Kalinga Lancers. Which state declared 2026 as Agriculture Year? The correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Who won Uganda's presidential election for the 7th consecutive time in 2026? The correct answer is Yoweri Museveni. Who received the Ati Vishisht Rail Seva Award 2026? The correct answer is Chandra Sinha. Where was the World Economic Forum Annual Meeting 2026 held? The correct answer is Davos. What is India's rank in the Global Innovation Index 2025? The correct answer is 38th. Who won the women's singles title at Australian Open 2026? The correct answer is Elena Rybakina. After addition of new sites, how many Ramsar sites are there in India 2026? The correct answer is 98. India celebrated which Republic Day on 26th January 2026? The correct answer is 77th. Who will receive the Indira Gandhi Peace Prize 2025? The correct answer is Graca Machel. According to Numbeo Safety Index 2026, which is the safest city in the world? The correct answer is Qingdao. Where was the Global South's first AI Impact Summit 2026 held? The correct answer is New Delhi. Which is India's first port to deploy an advanced anti-drone system? The correct answer is Vio Chidambarnar Port. Which country won the ASIAPIP Under-19 Women's Football Championship 2026? The correct answer is India. India's first hydrogen-powered train will be launched in which state? The correct answer is Haryana. National Voters' Day is observed on. The correct answer is 25th January. Which state became the second in India to publish a bird atlas after Kerala? The correct answer is Goa. What is India's rank in Corruption Perceptions Index 2025? The correct answer is 91. Where was Naval Exercise Milan 2026 held? The correct answer is Visakhapatnam. What is India's rank in Network Readiness Index 2025? The correct answer is 45. Which government launched the Lakhpati Bitiya Yojana? The correct answer is Delhi. Who became India's youngest male analog astronaut in 2026? The correct answer is Aditya Pandya. Where was the Hockey India League 2025-26 final played? The correct answer is Bhubaneswar, Kalinga Stadium. What is the motto of the Indian Coast Guard? The correct answer is Vayam Rakshama. Which city was ranked as the safest in India according to Numbeo Safety Index 2026? The correct answer is Bengaluru. Which system is used in anti-drone technology? The correct answer is radar radio frequency. Who was appointed as the 15th Administrator of NASA in December 2025? The correct answer is Jared Isaacman. Who became the 11th Prime Minister of Bangladesh in February 2026? The correct answer is Tariq Rahman. India's rank in mental well-being among young adults Global Mind Health Report 2025? The correct answer is 60th. Which state was declared the ginger capital of India? The correct answer is Mizoram. Which port authority won first prize at Swachh Port Awards 2025? The correct answer is Paradip Port Authority. Which country became the 19th member of the International Big Cat Alliance? The correct answer is Russia. Which state declared Bacillus subtilis as its state microorganism? The correct answer is Kerala. India overtook which country to become the largest rice producer? The correct answer is China. Which country became India's second largest supplier of liquefied natural gas? The correct answer is UAE. Which country became the first in Europe to ban social media access for children below 16 years? The correct answer is Spain. Which state was redeclared a tiger state after 33 years? The correct answer is Gujarat. Which team won their maiden Ranji Trophy title 91st edition? The correct answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Which country rolled out HIV prevention drug lenacapavir first in East Africa? The correct answer is Kenya. India's first castor village Sundala is located in which state? The correct answer is Maharashtra. Which country plans to build a nuclear power plant on the moon by 2036? The correct answer is Russia. Who became the 50th Vice Chief of the Indian Air Force January 2026? The correct answer is Air Marshal Nagesh Kapoor. India's first AI-enabled state university pilot was launched in. The correct answer is Meerut. Who became the world's first wheelchair user to travel to space December 2025? The correct answer is Michael Benthal. Which country topped the Winter Olympics 2026 medal tally? The correct answer is Norway. India's rank in Asia Manufacturing Index 2026? The correct answer is 6th. Who was appointed as the 13th Chief Information Commissioner of India December 2025? The correct answer is Rajiv Kumar Goyal. Which city became the first zero-waste dump city of Uttar Pradesh? The correct answer is Lucknow. The Union Cabinet extended Atal Pension Yojana up to which financial year? The correct answer is 2030-31. Which state became the 15th in India to receive the President's Police Colours? The correct answer is Sikkim. Kumbhalgarh Wildlife Sanctuary declared eco-sensitive zone is located in. The correct answer is Rajasthan. Which team won the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy 2025 maiden title? The correct answer is Chandigarh. Which city ranked first in Taste Atlas 100 Best Food Cities 2025-26? The correct answer is Naples. Who became the first woman officer appointed to the Airports Authority of India Board? The correct answer is Nivedita Dubey. India's rank in Global Firepower Report 2026 military strength. The correct answer is 4th. Which state made daily newspaper reading compulsory in government schools December 2025? The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Who was appointed CMD of GAIL India Limited? The correct answer is Deepak Gupta. Where was the National Conference on Ancient Indian Science held? The correct answer is Dhanbad, Jharkhand. Who was appointed as the Director General of the National Investigation Agency in January 2026? The correct answer is Rakesh Agarwal. Nandini Chakrabarti became the first woman Chief Secretary of which state? The correct answer is West Bengal. Which state imposed a statewide ban on Gudkha, Pan Masala, and tobacco products January 2026? The correct answer is Odisha. Which country became India's BRICS presidency successor for 2026 discussions? The correct answer is India. Who was given additional charge as CEO of Niti Aayog February 2026? The correct answer is Nidhi Chibbar. Which Indian cricketer received Padma Shri in 2026? The correct answer is Rohit Sharma. Which state hosted the Santosh Trophy 2025-26? The correct answer is Assam.